This is Jim Conway, and in this video we are going to look into how to set up an Amazon S3 account and how to link it to SEO Traffic Factory. The first thing you'll want to do is go to AWS Amazon.com/S3 and open up an account. Then you're going to want to enter your contact information, which is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you do that, and I'm just going to skip to the next step once you're done with that. Amazon's going to send you some emails. You're going to want to go into the email once you get it and confirm your account. Now you'll click on Manage Your Account's Access Keys. Now you want to click on Continue to Security Credentials, and then you're going to click on Access Keys. Then you're just going to click on Download Key, and there you have it. Now in the software, you're going to want to select the Site Generator tab, and then you're going to want to click the Deploy tab. And you're going to click the Start button, and then you're going to click Add. And then under Uploader, you want to select Amazon S3, click Next, and that's where you want to enter your access key and your security key. And that's all you need to do.